What's going on, guys? I'm just going to make a quick little video of how to install handlebar risers. I got the 22mm risers. I can't remember the company name, but it has ADV printed on them. Here's the video. Alright guys, so here's my take on these handlebar risers. They're 22mm. I like them. I think I should have adjusted the handlebars a little more towards me. I kind of feel like I'm kind of leaning into it, like almost like a sport bike kind of thing. There is the difference. I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of what my stance looks like while standing on the pegs. They're also stock pegs, but I honestly don't mind that they're a little bit forward. I don't mind that, but it's, I don't know, everybody has the different preference. There seems to be a lot of people who don't like them at all. So standing up is a lot more comfortable. I'm still a little hunched over. I think 22mm is good, but I think it could definitely do better. I wouldn't go under 22mm. I would go at very minimal 22mm. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just let you guys know that how easy it actually is to install these handlebar risers. And I think they're worth it. Definitely worth it. If you're going to do any upgrade to this bike, KTM 390 Adventure, that should definitely be one of them. I give this upgrade a 10 out of 10. Super easy to do and 100% worth it. And I only paid, I believe, $21, maybe $23, and that's with shipping. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give a like and please subscribe. Oh, a quick little side note there, guys. I did not have to adjust any of my cables or stretch them out at all. KTM 390 Adventure, that should be definitely